Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix microphone not working on your Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. Or if you want, then you can use the air compressor or a soft brush, but make sure to use something that is not metallic because you can only damage the port even more that way, and we definitely do not want that. Now what we want to do next is test our mic. So how are we going to do that exactly? We can go over here to the camera for an example. We can go over to video, and now we can just start recording, keep on talking, and now we can end the video. What we can do next is simply click here and see if we have and as you guys can see, I could hear myself, but if you did not hear yourself, then what you guys can do is go over and restart the device to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button. Now click restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted. After the restart, simply unlock the phone. As you guys can see, the Android is now starting, so we need to give it a couple of seconds. And after that, what we can do, we can go over to the settings and check for any software updates. So open up the settings from the app drawer. Now scroll down almost to the bottom until you see software update. Here click on download and install, and if it doesn't go for the first time, you just need to click on it. It's the fault of my phone actually, but as you guys can see, the software is up to date here, and if your software is not up to date, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of your software to make sure that there's no glitches like microphone not working. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.